Last time on Dragon Ball Z, with only 10 days until the Cell Games, our fighters were preparing for the fight of their lives. Though with young Gohan, he wishes to have more time with his family.
Really gotta finish these studies. Almost forgot it's my birthday today. I gotta hurry up my studies right quick.
To make our Japanese strawberry shortcake, you're going to need the ingredients listed in this video. So, let's get started. We're going to start by placing 4 large eggs in warm water to put them at room temperature. Then, we're going to take 40 grams of 1% milk and 40 grams of butter, and we're going to melt that in the microwave. Make sure you don't do it for too long so it's not too hot. Next, using some hot water, we're going to make a hot water bath. Pouring some hot water into a pot and putting a bowl on top. And we're going to begin separating our eggs. Then, adding 95 grams of sugar to that. And we're going to mix that at high speed. We're going to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, whipping it until it's pale in color. And midway, we're going to add approximately 10 grams of honey. Continue blending it until it's the entirety of 2 to 3 minutes. And it looks good. Now we're going to take our 100 grams of cake flour and put it into our batter. Make sure you sift your flour, that way there's no clumps. And we're going to fold that in with a rubber spatula, as well as add our milk and butter mixture. And once everything's mixed up, taking our 7-inch pan lined with parchment paper, we're going to pour in our batter. Drop it at a high place to get rid of any bubbles. Then we're going to put it in our oven, which should be set at 325 degrees. And let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Now it's time for our cream and our strawberries. Taking 500 grams of whipping cream, and 75 grams of sugar, one tablespoon of vanilla, we're going to whisk it until it's thick. It should be a nice thick texture. Nice and creamy. Now for our strawberries. You're going to need approximately 8 whole strawberries. So we're just going to cut off the stem. Then with the other ones, we're also going to cut off the stems, but we're going to cut those in half to place into the inside of our Japanese strawberry shortcake. Now let's look at our cake, see if it's ready. And it looks good. Now, we're going to start carefully slicing our cake in half. Now, start placing our whipped cream. And start covering that layer with your half-cut strawberries until completely covered. Cover that with another layer of whipped cream. And carefully place your other cake layer on top. Now to completely cover your cake in whipped cream. And to top our cake, of course we have our strawberries, but to recreate Chi-Chi's design, I made the faces of Goku, Gohan, and Chi-Chi with edible paper, and colored and drew that in with edible marker. Place our strawberries evenly across our cake. Add in our edible paper decorations. Then, we're going to pipe in some more whipped cream right in between our strawberries. And just like that, Gohan's birthday cake is done. And since it is Gohan's 11th birthday, we're going to go ahead and add blue and red candles to them. Exactly 11.
Man, this cake looks so good, and it has all of our faces on it. Well, I guess it's time to make my wish.
I wish for the strength to defeat Cell.
Oops.
And now, to cut our birthday cake. Time to taste. And this was delicious. A nice fluffy sponge cake with delicious whipped cream and strawberries. One of the best strawberry shortcakes I have ever had.
Mom's not gonna be happy that I ruined my own birthday cake. Well, I guess I am my father's son. We'll just have to be family tradition. Thanks for celebrating my 11th birthday. Gotta get ready for the Cell games. See you next time on Cook and Cosplay.